President Donald Trump has been putting pressure on Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell to step down from his post for months. According to Bloomberg, President Donald Trump met with congressional Republicans on Tuesday night to discuss firing Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell and is likely to make a decision soon, a move that will likely provoke a legal battle over the independence of the central bank. Trump has denied these claims. While there has been speculation around who Powell's successor at the Fed would be, there are some potential candidates that stand out. Last month, Trump suggested there were, quote, 3 or 4 candidates under consideration to replace Powell. These include National Economic Council Director Kevin Hassett, as well as former Fed Governor and Powell critic Kevin Warsh. The Wall Street Journal also reported that David Malpass, a former Trump administration official and ex-World Bank president, is being considered alongside Fed Governor Christopher Waller. Warsh is the betting favorite to be the next Fed chair at 20% odds, according to Polymarket, followed by Hassett and Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent at 18% odds each. If Trump sacked Powell, the move would challenge a Supreme Court ruling from 1935 that found the president cannot fire leaders of independent federal agencies over policy disagreements. Trump has previously challenged this ruling, however, after removing both Democratic commissioners at the Federal Trade Commission and members of the National Labor Relations Board and the Merit Systems Protection Board earlier this year. Trump has also repeatedly accused Powell of being, quote, too late to lower interest rates, adding to Vice President J.D. Vance accusing the Fed of, quote, monetary malpractice in June. The Fed previously lowered interest rates from a 5.25% to 5.5% target range to a 4.25% to 4.5% range as the agency observes the effects of Trump's economy. For more on this story, check out the article at the link in the description.